So let us see our next topic of data interpretation, that is table. Okay, so in table we have to just read the data and see what is given. Total employees are given, and professions of peoples are given, percentage of people, percentage of males and percentage of female. So if we have to find the number of employees in law department, then what will be 24% of 24,500. So in this way we can find. But if we have to find total number of males in law department, then 80% of 21% of 24,500. So in this way we can find. So let us see the first question and see how to minimize our calculation and reduce our time. Okay. Ratio of males in medical and teaching to the females in the same department. Okay, so what is the ratio of males so in medical and teaching? So medical and teaching. So in medical and teaching, what is the ratio of males? That is 40% of 11% of 40% of 11% of 24,500. Okay, plus what? Teaching department. Teaching department is how much? 20 and 21. So 20% of 21% of that same 24,500. Okay, so to the number of females in the same department. So 40% is the number of males. So 60% will be number of females in the same department. So no need of looking the table back. We can write directly. 40 so 60. 11% of 24,500 plus 20 so 80. 80% of 21% of 24,500. After writing this much, after learning, you don't have to write this much also. Okay, so first I am telling what to see. 40%. So 24,500 is common in both numerator and denominator. So cancel it. After understanding all the things, you will not write this thing also. Okay, so what is 11% plus 20% and see here. So by cancelling with 20, how much will you get? 20 into 2, 20 into 1, 20 into 3 and 20 into 4. Okay, so we have to find the ratio. So there is no use of percentage. Percentage there is no use. So 2 into 11 is 22 plus 1 into 21 is 21. 3 into 11 is 33 plus 4 into 84. So the value will be 43 upon 170. So this will be the ratio. So the calculation is looking very lengthy, but you can solve every question in a smart way. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Total number of people in teaching profession is what percentage of total number of people in law? Okay, so we have to find what percentage of. Okay, so there are many varieties. I have told the varieties of questions, and this is the variety where what percentage of. Okay, now see what is the number of people in teaching profession. So teaching profession is here 21%. So 21% of 24,500 upon what is the number of people in law? 24%. So 24% of 24,500. So this get cancelled, and we will get here how much? 3 into 7, 3 into 8. So 7 upon 8. Okay, what percent into 100. No need of writing 100 also. I have told you, by seeing this fraction only you can find the percentage. Okay, so we know that 1 by 8 is 12.5%. By the concept of percentage, we know 1 by 8 is 12.5%. So 7 by 8 will be 12.5 into 7, that is 87.5%. So in this way you can find what percentage of this question. Okay, so this question can be solved in less time. So let's see our third question on table, that is we have to find the total number of males in all the profession together. So we have to find total number of males. So there are 6 departments and we have to find total number of males, that is 40% of 11% of 24,500 plus 70% of 18% of 24,500 and so on. We have to add all the terms and there is no short trick other than that. Okay, so you better leave this question because in 50 questions of aptitude you cannot solve all the 50 questions. So 1 to 3 question you have to leave. So this type of question which will take 5 minutes or more than that of calculation, you can leave that question. So I am moving on to the fourth question. So let's see our fourth question, that is find ratio of number of males in banking to the number of males in engineering. Okay, so we have to find the ratio. This is the question of ratio. So what is the number of males in banking? Number of males in banking is 65% of 16% of 24,500. Okay, this is the number of males in banking. And number of males in engineering. Number of males in engineering is how much? Males in engineering, that is 70% of 18% of 24,500. So this is the ratio. Okay, so this gets cancelled. Okay, so these two we can simplify, that is 5 into 13, 5 into 14. Okay, and here 2 into 8, 2 into 9. Okay, and further we can simplify 2 into 4 and 2 into 7. So 13 into 4 is how much? 52, and 9 into 7 is how much? 63. So this cannot be cancelled further. So the ratio will be 52 is to 63. Because in these questions I am not giving options because ratio is the accurate quantity. What percentage of percentage change, in that you can see the options and verify your answer. But in case of ratios courses, average question or adding the terms or total number of finding, in that you cannot see you have to solve the complete question. So here the ratio is 52 is to 63. Let's see our last question based on table, that is number of females in engineering profession are what percentage of number of males in management profession. Okay, so here 4 options are given and 5th option is obviously none of this. Okay, so number of females in engineering profession is how much? 30% of 80% of 18% of 24,500. We have to find what percentage of. Okay, so number of males in management profession. Management is how much? 56%. 56% of 10% of 24,500. Okay, first write this and then cancel. 10 into 3. Okay, and we can solve this. See, 3 into, we can get here 3, we cannot further cancel. 3 into 18, how much we will get? 54, and here 56 into 100. If you will not change 100 also, we can find the percentage. 54 upon 56. So if the value of numerator becomes 56, the value will become 1, that is 100%. So it is little less than 100%. Okay, it is little less only than 100%. So it will be more than 95 or 90%. So let's see the option. It is far away from 90%. It's also far. Okay. So little less than 100% is, it can be the answer. 96.4%. This cannot be the answer. So we can say that 96.4%, we can mark that this can be, or this is the answer of what percentage of question. So you can, in questions comes of this variety or what percentage of, you can manipulate and mark the answer. Okay, so let's see, let's move on to the next topic of data interpretation, that is line graph. So friends, subscribe our YouTube channel to get the latest update of our videos and upcoming government jobs, and to get the complete video series of aptitude, reasoning, English, computer awareness and banking awareness. Visit our website visualcard.com. So thank you for watching this video.